Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Well, today's the big reveal day. Are you guys excited? I know I'm super excited to finally be able to post pictures of this on my IG. Link right here. Go give me a follow. Go check it out. And let me know in the comments what you guys think of Quinn 2.0. I am over the moon on how it turned out. It turned out better than I could have ever imagined. We're just going to, the weather is still not super cooperative, but I'm going to take it out. We're going to go over to a quieter spot, so I can get it out in the sunshine and we get some photos and I can show you guys the big reveal. So keep watching. Let's go for a quick drive and show you guys this car. Alright guys, here we are. It's a little cloudy, but it's not snowing, it's not raining. Initial reactions, something is rubbing. I'm trying to adjust the heights and find out if it's the actual tires rubbing on fenders or what's going on, because I never changed anything of that last year. And back in October when I originally installed it, I wasn't hearing the rubbing. So I don't know if maybe it's just the brakes from sitting all winter and it will go away. I'm going to try and drive it a little bit more to see if I can diagnose it. And I'm glad I took it out now rather than on Friday when I'm driving the driven and run into an issue. So I'm going to drive a little bit more. But for you guys who've all been waiting long enough, I introduce you to Quinn 2.0. Well, what do you guys think? So, I got a few more things that I want to do to it. I want to put some stickers on these fins. So, what's new? Obviously, big wing. I got the side skirt extensions installed. The front lip, obviously you guys seen that video. I made that. And I just love how the car turned out. It just flows so well. And for those who don't know, I had a bit of an issue with getting vivid vinyl and that headlight tint. So I ordered some. I got just standard yellow, and then I emailed them back and said, no, that's the wrong yellow. And they said, well, we only have this yellow. And I said, yeah, that's what I ordered. And anyways, they couldn't get it out to me in time. So I had to take headlight tint off of both of the headlights. And to be honest with you, I kind of like it with no headlight tint at all. It just looks so clean, and the white angel eyes just go with the car so perfectly. So I think I'm not going to put any headlight tint on at all. I'm just going to leave it, enjoy it, love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. DM me on Instagram if you have any further questions, and I'll make a full detailed video on everything that I've done. And just for those who are new to the channel and haven't watched all the videos yet, we'll go through everything. There's also one more thing that I still have to do, which I'll probably do tomorrow, is I have some double slotted M grills from Guion, or I like to call him G, and I'll link his Instagram below. But he hooked me up with a set of F30 M Performance grills, and I think it's just going to totally change the front end from what it is now. So I'll show you guys at Driven what the double slotted grills look like. But thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for this weekend's coverage of Driven Calgary. Peace.